Bitcoin's not going away, right? There are 150 million people that have already decided to store some of their net worth in Bitcoin into this decentralized community that's verified by cryptography. And so in no world is Bitcoin going away, or quite frankly, the blockchain and Ethereum and everything else.
The FTX debacle has created a deficit of trust in the cryptocurrency market, according to Bitcoin bull and Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz, who argue that the industry should and will be regulated after the downfall of Sam Bankman-Fried's exchange. The FTX fallout had a ripple effect on the entire industry as a result of what appears to be reckless management practices and potential fraud. Novogratz likened the collapse of FTX to the bankruptcy of Lehman Brothers during the 2008 financial crisis, citing bad practices, over-leveraging, and asset liabilities. Lehman Brothers invested heavily in mortgage-backed securities. FTX issued excess FTT tokens and held a portion of its balance sheet in its native token. The Lehman Brothers bankruptcy in September 2008 was the peak of the subprime mortgage crisis. The bank became a symbol of the excesses in the 2008 financial crisis. Similarly, FTX is being viewed as representative of the excesses in crypto. At the same time, it's clear there was a bubble in crypto and other speculative asset classes, Novogratz said. Novogratz pointed to the messy balance sheet at FTX, which didn't have an in-house accounting department and intertwined its financials with Alameda Research, its affiliated trading firm. Sources familiar with the companies claim that Alameda traded with customer funds from FTX, CNBC reported, and FTX's new CEO, who is leading the company through Chapter 11 bankruptcy proceedings, said employees may have even used company funds to purchase homes and personal items in the Bahamas. Irrespective of the FTX saga, Novogratz strongly believes that this is not the last stroke for crypto, and that the technology of the blockchain is interesting and limitless, stating that this could just be the beginning of something great. We will now get into the video and see what he has to say. In the meantime, ensure you like the video, subscribe, and make sure to drop your comments.
This is about transparency and disclosure in lots of ways. And, our industry has failed to self-regulate. I think the money side of crypto, companies like ours that buy and sell and lend and do derivatives, are going to get regulated and should be. And then the tech side of crypto, the on-chain stuff, why we all started crypto, that has its own series of regulatory challenges, right? KYC, AML, but that kind of should be kept separately. This is always about building trust with your clients. And right now we're in a deficit of trust. People think, there's a black swan around every corner, that everyone else is, a sociopath and saying one thing and doing something else.
Following the FTX fiasco, several crypto exchanges in the country tried to calm the investors' fears. CoinZeek published its proof of reserves PUR on November 24. It made its record for on-chain and off-chain asset balances and wallet addresses available for public viewing and verification. With this, we want to instill complete trust in the users. We feel that access to transparency is not a privilege but a right of users, Sumit Gupta, co-founder and CEO of CoinDCX, said. Another major exchange, CoinSwitch, released a third-party report confirming that its overall balances were higher than the customer holdings. We will continue to evaluate other ways of establishing trust and transparency as we help India participate meaningfully in the global crypto revolution, said Ashish Singhal, co-founder and CEO of CoinSwitch. CoinSwitch also launched CoinSwitch Pro, a KYC-compliant platform that allowed users to trade crypto assets in Indian rupees across multiple exchanges with a single login. With so many companies making transactions and balance sheets more transparent, the FTX saga has opened up a new level for cryptocurrency, and we could be seeing more adoption as companies regain consumers' trust. The overall crypto ecosystem is in a delicate state and high volatility should be expected for next month. Regardless, we always advise our viewers to be careful making decisions now and also not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.